Every day, millions of people are stressed and worried about their finances. Many are buying and selling stocks at the wrong time or holding while their favorite crypto token collapses right in front of their eyes. Even others are selling winning investments too early out of fear, or holding losing investments too long, hoping and pray that the market will turn around in their favor. Even worse, millions more people are silent, held hostage by their investments, just sitting on the sidelines waiting to see what the economy will do next. And why is all of this happening? Because they don't understand what the markets are saying. You see, the markets speak a language. It's a language you probably don't know. The market speaks structure, momentum, breaks, reactions. If you don't understand the language, you can't respond correctly. Trying to get ahead financially without understanding the market's language is like being dropped into a foreign country where everyone speaks a language you don't understand. All you hear is noise. You may try to navigate your way around, but probably end up lost and confused. In finances, you're likely the same way. You're either the type that reacts emotionally, chasing shiny objects, or you're the one who just buys something you believe in and holds it forever, thinking that it has to go up in value. But what you don't understand is that time is our most precious commodity, and all markets move in cycles. Everything buys at some point, and everything sells. It's all part of the huge financial game. Again, the markets are speaking a language, a specific language, but it is a language that you can learn. And once you learn this language, you begin to see how and why things move the way they do. You start to recognize shifts. You understand what the market is communicating and you know how to react and win. At Akeelah Trading Academy, we teach you a simple and proven way to read the markets and interpret the language that is being spoken every day. So whether you're 18 years old or 80, we teach you how you can take control of some of your own finances and make decisions that best benefit you. In just 2 immersive days of hands-on training, you will learn how market structure forms across any asset, how markets always signal when a major shift is about to happen. You'll learn how to find high probability opportunities to make a consistent income regardless of your schedule. You'll learn how news reports and publications are designed to manipulate you, and most importantly in this academy, you'll gain more understanding than years of studying, reading books, or even going to school for a financial education. So whether you just want to build some much-needed extra income through trading, or you want to learn how to cut years or even decades off of your retirement or other financial goals, the Akeelah Trading Academy would help give you those eyes to see and ears to hear. Akeelah Trading Academy is a private training session open to those who are serious about a financial future for themselves and their family. Available space is limited. Call us at 704-296-8041 or email us at contact@akeelah.io to secure your seat.